Hello, my name is John. I'm here to do a quick demonstration of how the Job Hub application that was created for the Redeemed Christian Church of God to help streamline job applications and postings, how it works. So I'm going to give a quick tour and guide on how this application works. So first of all, I need to register an account. So um, I'll use the name John Ofem and I use this email. I'll add one to it, John Ofem1. I'll put a password, an address, phone number, and I'll select the country. So I'm going to select Nigeria. Then I'll sign up. So I've been able to sign up successfully. So for me to start posting jobs and applying for jobs, first of all, I need to log in to my this thing. So I'm going to log in. So logged in successfully. So I'm going to create jobs. So before I create a job, you can see that we have create job listing and find perfect candidates here. You can actually create jobs. If you have a job you want to post, you can actually create those jobs. And then when users come here, they can see the jobs listed here. Those jobs that have been created and approved by the admin will be listed here. But for the meantime, you can see that there are no jobs here. And below here, we have a feedback form that use people. This feedback form is meant for employers who employ people to give a feedback if they have employed anybody successfully, or people who actually applied for jobs can come here to give feedbacks that they got employed. So I employed someone or I got employed. So that's what the feedback form is, and this is meant to give the admin and the church a track list of application successes, in the application processes. So now since I'm logged in, what I'm going to do is I'm going to be creating two jobs. So I'm going to be creating the first one is I'm posting this job on behalf of myself. So let's say for example this job is coming from me specifically. So I'm creating this job on behalf of myself. I'll put the location Lagos, email, part time, job type, entry level. Let me put entry level as experience skills. Skills required. Let me just put must be skilled. I'm going to include today's date, description, must be qualified. So the application link is optional because I'm posting this. Oh, sorry. Let me do it again. I lost it. So software engineer, location Lagos, email, experience level, entry level, salary. That, like I was saying, the application link is optional because I'm posting this job on behalf of myself. So it doesn't really require me to add an application link. But if I have an application link, I can include it, but it is optional to be qualified. So I'm going to be posting this job. So you can see job posted successfully, awaiting admin approval. If approved, your job will be listed on the job list, and if refused, will be deleted. So the whole idea of this is because now, if I come to find your dream job, you can see on the job list there are no jobs here, but someone have posted a job, but you can see it's not on the list. It's because the admin has not approved the job. So we need admin to approve this job before this job can be listed for other users to be able to apply. The purpose of the admin approval is to make sure that there is a lot of transparency. So the admin gets to go through the job first that has been posted, probably contact whoever posted this job and make some inquiries about the authenticity of the job before this job can go out there for people to apply. This to avoid any form of corruption or fraud. So I'm going to, before I approve these jobs, I'm going to be applying as a third party. So let's say I found this job somewhere and I want to post the job. So on behalf of a third party. So I'm going to, usually when you're applying for on behalf of a third party, they usually have an application link. So let's say the company has an application link. So you can either put the email or put the application link, so which is optional. So for now, I'm going to be using the application link because it's coming from a third party. So must be skilled, experience level. I'll just put senior. I'll use today's date. For the job description, I'll just say must be qualified. So I'm going to post this second job. You can see it's been posted. And again, if I come down here and I check, you see that these jobs are not available because the admin has not approved. So I'm going to the admin dashboard now to approve. So I'm going to be logging in as an admin. So when logged in as an admin, I can see the admin dashboard. Here I have apply jobs, all posted jobs for approval, home and delete. So for now, there's no job applied. You can't see anything here. So the applied job is supposed to give the admin an idea of all the total number of jobs that have been applied on this system. So just to keep a track record of the total applications that are going on this system. And then all posted jobs. So you can see I just posted two jobs and these are the jobs. You can see that we have the full information about the job. We even have the poster's email and the poster's phone number for the admin to call when necessary to make enquiries about this job before you can approve. So you can either approve the job, and if you don't feel comfortable, if the admin doesn't feel comfortable about this job, the admin can delete the job. So I'm going to approve these jobs for today. So if I refresh, you can see that no jobs approved, all posted jobs for approval. There's none here because there's no job currently waiting for approval. So I'm going to go back now. I'm going to go home. So if I come back here, find your dream job. Are you looking for a new challenge? Find your dream job. You can see that those two jobs I posted are now here because the admin has approved them. So I'm going to apply for this one. I'll include the resume and the cover letter, submit application. So as you can see, this is all you need to actually submit an application on this website. It's as easy as this. You don't need to start filling forms, a lot of forms and all that. All you need to do is just to upload your resume and your this thing, and so you can see job application submitted and sent to employers successfully. So let's confirm this to be sure that this actually worked. So I'm going to be going to my email address. I'll refresh. I'm going to refresh my email to see whether this job I just applied for came directly to my email because I was the one that posted it. I used my email address as the email address for the poster. Good. So you can see this job just came in now. What I just posted right now, new job application, job title, software engineer, and then my name, and then my email address, and my resume and my cover letter I uploaded are here as you can see. So this is working very effectively and seamlessly. So let me go back to our application. So I'm going to test the second application that is coming from a third party. So this one is coming from a third party. The person who posted it posted a link. So I'm going to apply for this job as well for a test. So when I upload my resume and my cover letter, let me put my email, and I send this job, you see that it redirects me to the link, third party link that was posted for me to continue this job application. So you can see that this job application site is very, very seamless. And then the last thing I'm going to talk about is the feedback form. Like I said, this feedback form helps the administration to know that this is the total number of jobs successes that came out from this website. So this is a feedback form that says feedback type. I employed someone or I got employed. So I did you employ someone or did you get employed? You're going to give a feedback. So let me just use this. I employed someone, and I can use the title of the job title I got employed for. So in this case, I employed someone. So let's say English language is the job I employed someone. Then the date, I'm going to use today's date, and I'm going to use any comment. And then you can submit your feedback form. So this feedback form will be submitted and sent to see feedback submitted successfully. So I'm going to go back to the email, my email, and I'm going to refresh my email to see if this feedback form is here. So you can see here feedback submission, info, the feedback type employed, and then job title English and all that, comments, any comments. So you can see that this is working seamlessly and effectively. So the whole purpose of this job application is to help the church manage jobs, help members of the church post job applications as well as members of the church apply for jobs. And it doesn't even fall under members of the church alone. Anybody can apply through this application that has a link about it. So the admin, as you can see, was created to help the administrative controls, to give. So if I go here now and I go to my applied job, you can see that the job I applied for, the first job I applied for, software engineer, is listed here, because this one was applied on the system directly. It's shown there. So the admin can see all the jobs that are being applied for in the apply section. If I go to all posted jobs for approval, there is none now because no job was posted recently. And then you delete expired job. The delete expired job button helps to get rid of all the old jobs that the expiring dates are expired. So this can be done maybe once in a month to delete old jobs that are in the system. So this is what this website does. And you can search for jobs by location. So here, Lagos, as you can see, the two jobs I posted were posted under Lagos. So when I searched, they're all displayed here. So you can either search for the job or come here and you see all the jobs that are being displayed. So this is what this website does. It helps to manage seamless application and posting of jobs. So you don't need to stress yourself going through the process of filling a lot of forms and going through a lot of processes. All you need to do is for you to post your upload your CVs and your cover letters, and the job goes directly to the employee's email. Yeah, thank you.